What up, guys? Joe the Magic Gatherer, and we're back with Streets of New Capenna Collector Booster Packs. Jumping right in, trying to find some cool stuff inside. I got a fresh haircut. Feels great. Feels great. Nothing like a new haircut to really put you in a good mood. All right. Ooh, kiss the ring. It's not the name of the card. Ooh, an offer you can't refuse. That's a good uncommon. Nice island. Some more common uncommons. Ooh, Ledger Shredder. Foil Ledger Shredder. Hells yes. Dude, this is a blue pack. Like I said, blue pack. Change of plans. All right. Wiretapping. This is only a blue pack. Just blue pack. Oh, Giada Font of Hope. Legendary Angel. I actually have this in foil. It's really nice. Very cool. Angel Tribal. Boxing Ring. Hell yeah. Till we crack again, guys.